guys, and welcome back to Thought-provoking Gaming, and back to a little bit of a different video. I've got a little tutorial here for you guys. In this video I'm going to show you how to install the Midori web browser on Windows 10. So if I just minimize OBS. To begin with, if you just want to open up any web browser, so I'm just going to open up Google Chrome. And literally if we just search for Midori web browser, yes, okay, Chrome, for Windows. Wait for it to load, ignore the ads. And yes, you got this one here, which is at astian.org, so ASTIAN.org. Pick the Windows logo. It's also available for Android, Windows, Linux and Mac. So, as the page loads, scroll down, select Windows. So, they're both, well, there isn't a 32-bit one, they're both only 64-bit. I'm going to go for the installer. Should now hopefully download it. Opening in 4 seconds, 3 seconds, 2 seconds, 1 second, 0 seconds. Okay, extracting. You may get a warning, I'm not sure if OBS is recording the audio here, but you may get a warning from user account control asking, do you want to allow this app from an unknown publisher to make changes to your device? Just click yes. I'm not sure why it says unknown. Sure. But yeah, next. Pretty simple. Let's go into custom. Next. Okay, yep, you can say install it in C program files. Next, yep, I'll have icons on the desktop in the start menus folder and on my taskbar. Install. Okay, nice. Okay, let's launch Midori. Oh, look at the little logo. How cool. It almost looks like a chameleon. Wow. I think we're certainly a lizard. Might be a dragon. Ready to dive in. Yes. I will not import data. Let's choose a template. Basic, default, advanced. Let's go in advanced. I've literally never, I don't think ever used this web. I think I did use this web browser years ago when it was, I think on Raspberry Pi when I was at school. I'll just leave it as is, it looks quite cool. Start browsing the web. So, wow. Oh, look at that background, that's quite cool. All the various exotic fruits, and some cheese, and some ham, I think that is. I'm a veggie, so, like, meat things do not appeal to me at all. It's got very much the sort of Firefox kind of news articles. I guess Unsplash, is that going to remove it? No. Oh, that's obviously where the images are from. A bit like Bing. Interesting. Kind of cool. So yeah, that's literally it. So we can just... I'm not sure what web browser this is. What search engine, rather. Astian Go. I'm gonna assume this is probably Google or some other search engine skinned. Not sure. Maybe it's just an actual web browser. I don't know. It has a really old school kind of old Google vibe. But yeah, I do hope you enjoyed this little video. Smack that like button if you did, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye guys!